In this video, I will show you how to fix high ping on Roblox. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe. Now, let's jump straight into the video. The first thing you wanna do is to go to the settings of your Roblox and make sure that your location is set on where you actually lives. Because if it is set on a different country, it will most likely make a higher ping. The second thing you can do is go to Google and search for the Roblox general connection problems. Open the top website. Scroll down and you will see, make sure the appropriate ports are open. Now some PCs might have these ports blocked for you. So what you're going to do is copy the numbers and then search for your firewall. You will end up right here, and the next thing to do is to click the advanced settings. Once you've opened the advanced settings, you'll end up right here. Now what you have to do is to go to the inbound rules, then click on new rules right here. After that, you want to select port, then next, choose the UDP, and in here, in the specific local parts, paste the numbers you copy from the website. Make sure to remove the spaces between, then click next. Allow the connection, then next again. All of the boxes should be selected, then next. Then next, you want to give it a name like Roblox ping. Then click on finish, and now you have added that rule. Next is just do it all over again on the outbound rules. And that's it! I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and thanks for watching!